Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I share with you how I made a beautiful, inexpensive vase. So Gallerie currently has a Vargas vase on sale for $149.69. Well, I made a beautiful vase for under $15. So if you're interested, sit back, relax, and stay tuned. You guys, this is the vase I am using. I want to give a big shout out to my cousin Angie for gifting me this vase for today's project. It's a beautiful vase, however, it did not match my decor. I am also using these beads I purchased from my local Michaels and Dollar Tree stores. These beads are two different sizes, and I ended up using approximately 5 of each size. I also used these items as well. To begin the process, I measured the length of the vase with a string of beads and then began to hot glue them in place. I would like to take a second and thank each one of you who are subscribed to my channel. Thank you to the day ones and to the new subscribers. I hope you are enjoying the content, and I will have more new content coming soon. The pattern I decided to go with was to glue 3 rows of the larger beads first, then 4 rows of the smaller beads, and just continue that pattern as I could. I also filled in gaps as I needed to. All the beads are glued in place, and now it's time to spray paint. Be sure to stick around to the end of the video to see the final results. So this first spray paint I am using did not provide good coverage, as you will see. So I decided to switch to a different spray paint that would provide the coverage that I was looking for. I applied 2 coats and allowed it to dry for 48 hours. Here are the final results. I think it turned out beautiful, but let me know what you think in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.